Hi, this is John with WTI. And for has been the cereals that I've been trying for this month. And this is the Raisin Bran Crunch by Kellogg's. And one of the things that I like the most about this cereal is that even it feels like a granola, it's not too high in sugar. And I've used this for like several things. Like the way that I've eat this is just like straight plain. I've had this with my oatmeal, or I even had this with just like normal milk, just directly. And the whole mixture of the whole cereal with the raisins, that raisins is just one of my favorites, with just to top it or just to eat it with anything. And it's just gonna have this whole thing. This has a lot of fiber. It's not too high in sugar. So you can just have a nice mixture for every day, even if you want to have it for breakfast, or just like me, you're hungry, you have a sweet craving, you get one of these guys and you're just good to go for the day. So overall, this is a great cereal. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.